In this video, I'm going to show you how you can book a chauffeur driver with Emirates. So if you have a business or a first class flight with Emirates, then you will be eligible to use this service. So I'll show you right now how to do it. So first, you want to be logged into your account. So as you can see in the top right hand corner, I'm already logged in. If you aren't logged in, then there'll be a login button. Then go to manage, then go manage chauffeur driver. And this might even be available if you're not logged in. But if you are not logged in, you are going to have to enter in your last name and booking reference manually and then retrieve the booking. For me, I can see my flight right here. So we're going to click on manage. Once you've done that, it is going to redirect you then to the booking service. And because I've got a return flight, it is going to allow me to book 4 different drivers. One from my apartment to the airport, one from the airport to the hotel, and then obviously back again. So we'll first click on book and I'll show you exactly what I mean and how you can book it. So here we are. Here are all of the options. As you can see, we have 4 different driver options and these are all going to be different chauffeur drivers. So you need to first book the first one and then you can go through this list and add in the correct address. So click on the first one. It's then going to ask you for the address information. For me, the first one is going to be a drop off to the airport. So I need to give them my location in Bangkok, which I'm going to do now. Okay, so now I've added my address. I'm going to also add a contact number. So we'll go ahead and select the country and I'll enter in my number here as well. And now once we've done that, how many hours before departure shall we pick you up? I'm going to put here 3 hours and 45. So that gives me plenty of time to not rush and get there to the airport on time. We can then agree to the terms and then save this request. So once you've done that, you will then be able to see everything here and just make sure that it is all correct. You can change this, but you will have to cancel it and then create a new one. And then basically you have to do this same thing for all 4 chauffeur drivers. Obviously you need to put in your address in the location you're flying to because they're going to pick you up from the airport. And then you need to put that same address for the return as well. So go ahead and enter in that address in all of the fields that are necessary. And then you're all good to go. As long as it's confirmed, you will have the driver arrive and he will arrive 15 minutes early, I believe, and he will wait 15 minutes until the scheduled pickup time. He won't wait any longer than that, but that is how you book it. I hope that helped.